Alright y'all, so we are going to get ready to go on a cruise, the last cruise with the 370Z. We got Team JLaMark here, you know, give them a follow. You know, always check out our work. We got awesome stuff other than just cars. So, but yeah, so I think it's the first time I've ever taken it out there. But you know, this is gonna be it. So before I sell this thing, like I said, I'll do one little video, like a little sit-down video of what I've done to the Z. But if you guys have followed me for the longest time, you know, you guys have seen what I've done with this car. So we got Christian going, of course, with his Subaru, and then we got Colton that's gonna be going. But yeah, so and we're gonna meet at this gas station before we head out there. So love y'all. Thanks for the support. Check out the previous video right here. It's gonna pop up, and again, thanks. So you know what, I'm just gonna record this, bro. All right, funniest thing, we got interrupted by Jules.
We keep getting interrupted
3 times. Okay, but so this is Colton.
Hi.
He got me into the car scene almost 4 years ago when I had my Dart, and the Dart was like stock as hell. And you can see the videos right here in the past of like the car meets that we used to do with what Team Nohas and AZ Street King.
But it was AZ Street King at first. Then you changed it to Team Nohas.
Yes.
Which everyone read as No Joust.
No Joust.
And then eventually I kind of was like, I just did my own thing.
Yeah. And then we all just kind of just grew up, and then I don't know. That's it. So, but yeah, look, check this out. We're gonna fill up. We're gonna fill up here at the Chevron. Yeah, you look at that, Z and Colton. Oh man, yeah. There's Colton's car. Give him a follow. There's his.
Get off my car.
Ah, he's yelling. A spectator. And then of course you got Christian over there. We're all filling up here, but yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and update you. Oh, I'm gonna update you guys, whatever. Once we're on the road there, the canyon. So hopefully the roads aren't closed because there was a fire. I don't know if you guys seen that in the news everywhere in the world, but hey. Thank you, everyone. Love you guys. Thanks for the support. I really appreciate it. And this is the reality, man. This is gonna be an everyday thing. So, love you guys. So this is gonna be the first half of the group. But yeah, guys, we got Christian Subaru, the Z, the last little first cruise through the canyon, and last one before we get rid of it, of course. There she is.
Somebody got shot, what you talking about? Willis in the lobby with a brick, wicked Bobby with your bitch. I go Lawrence in the rubber. From the church, I got the dirty money rent. People poppin', so I pop and pray to God repent.
This is sick. We just like running into some people like out here. This is dope.
My underglow was working.
Yeah.
No, literally, man.
Yeah.
I think when I was going home.
This is crazy, man.
And you
Check this
right
out.
side, there was like something flashing.
GTR, my dude.
There was a cop flashing. It's like just flew by me on that.
We're cruising out here, bro. This is awesome. This is awesome, bro. This is crazy. Wow. This is an awesome cruise. But yeah, all right, we're gonna continue and go from there. So we're just gonna let the cars cool down. And yeah. We have the GTR and the Ferrari joining us on the last cruise with the Z. This is awesome, bros. Check it out. Dude, this is insane, guys. So this is so much fun. I am so glad I did this, especially on a night like this. Look at this. We have a GTR, bro, and you know we have the Z over there. GTR. You got Christian's car. You got Colton. Oh man, you guys can't see him. Hey, let me turn on the flash. You got Colton's car here. You got Christian's car here, man. GTR, bro. The Ferrari. You got that Ferrari. You got that Ferrari. This is crazy, bro. This is so cool.
I don't know why.
Love
I
it.
don't know what happened. I don't know why,
Love it.
but yeah.
Love it. Look at this thing. This thing. Alright guys, this is them leaving. These are the guys that cruised with, man. This is sick. Look at that Godzilla and the Z, bro. Get it, bro.
Later.
See you later. Oh my gosh. It's crying.
The 16-year-old girl's driving now. Her name's Dallas.
Yo, it's been fun. So we're gonna hang out here for a little bit. But yo,
Yeah, man.
this has been great. This has been great. This has been so great. You can hear the GTRs. You got Christian and you got the Alyssa, who joined the gang, you know, just recently, like an hour ago.
Yeah, I guess. Really? Has it been an hour?
But yeah, so yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this cruise, this final cruise. Hopefully the Z gets sold to a awesome owner, not like some kid, you know. Sorry, but still. But yeah, yeah, guys, subscribe. You know, subscribe right here on this little ball. I think this is awesome how I do that. But if you haven't seen the other video, check it out right up here and support it. You know, like, love you guys. Thanks. This is stuff that I want to do. See you guys.